Word problem solved by factoring. The question here is, a ladder is resting against a wall. The top of the ladder touches the wall at a height of 12 meters. Find the length of the ladder if the length is 6 meters more than its distance from wall. So let's try to sketch it and then we'll try to do it. Okay, let's say this is the wall and then we have a ladder here, and let me make ladder with a different ink, and let's say this is the kind of ladder here, right? Now it's given to us that it touches, the top of the ladder touches the wall at a height of 12 meters. So this height is given to us as 12, right? So this is 12 meters. Find the length of the ladder, which is this length, if length is 6 meters more than the distance from wall. So let us say the distance, this is the wall, right? So that is the wall for us, okay? And let us say distance from the wall is x. Then length of the ladder is 6 meters more than the distance. So length is x plus 6. That is what is given to us, right? So we are making an assumption that let distance from wall be x meters, right? Now in that case, length will be how much? L equals to x plus 6, right? So we have this kind of a triangle here, which is right angle triangle. So using properties of Pythagorean theorem, we can find the answer, right? So we can say from here that L square equals to 12 square plus x square, right? Now L is 6 plus x, and then we can solve for x, correct? So that is how we are going to solve the problem. So let me write this on that side, and then what we'll do now here, we know length hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of the two sides, right? So that is Pythagorean theorem. So what we are going to apply here is Pythagorean theorem. So this is Pythagorean theorem. So we are going to apply this theorem and solve for x or length, right? So we'll rearrange this and then solve for x. We know what is L. L is 6 plus x, or x plus 6. So we can write here x plus 6 whole square, that is the hypotenuse, is equals to 12 square plus x square, correct? Now we can bring all the terms to one side and then solve. So we can expand this. This gives us x square plus 2 times ab, which is 12x, plus 6 square, which is 36, right? So that is expansion of x plus 6 whole square. And now we can bring these terms to the left. That is 12 square is 144. So we'll write 144 minus x square, and we get equals to 0. So we brought all the terms to the left side and we expanded x plus 6 whole square, right? So this expansion of x plus 6 whole square, we got these three terms, right? And this is 12 square is 144. We subtracted 144 both sides, and we subtracted x square and got this equation, right? Now you can combine the like terms. X square minus x square is 0. So we're left with 0. And here we have 12x. We have 12x here. And 36 minus 144. So let's use calculator to do 36 minus 144. 36 minus 144 is minus 108. So we get minus 108 equals to 0. Now to find x, we can add 108 on both the sides. So we get 12x equals to 108, or x is equals to, we'll write here 12x equals to 108, or x is equals to 108 divided by 12. So you can use your calculator, divide 108 by 12, right? So if you do that, you get what? 9 times, right? So 12 times 9 is 108. So you get x equals to 9. So if x is 9, what is the length of the ladder? So we get, as we know here, length is 6 more than x, right? So let's write down our solution. Now here, we know x is equals to 9. So L will be equals to 9 plus 6, which is 15, right? So therefore, we can write down your answer. Therefore, answer is length equals to 15 meters, right? It's important to write units in your answer. That is very important to write. So that is how you're going to solve this kind of question. Thank you.